Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how I do my eyebrows looking like this, and I will have all the products listed on the description box and also on the screen so you guys don't miss anything. And I will be zooming in a lot so you could see exactly, you know, how I get my eyebrows looking the way that they do. And so I know you guys requested this video, and so here I go, started, and I filmed it. So next up, whatever you guys want to see, if you guys want to see this look on my face, I just came from church and I'm filming this. So yeah, so this is another look that I did, and if you guys like it, let me know if you guys want me to film it. And it's pretty easy and it's beginner friendly. I did not even use like any eyeshadow palette or anything. I just used my highlighter and my contour powder to do this. So if you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It feels so weird saying that. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay. But if you guys want to see how I achieved my eyebrows or how I do them, stay tuned, keep on watching, and thank you so guys so much. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by using my MAC 208 angle brush, and I'm gonna dip it a little bit into the product, and I'm only gonna start at the bottom of my brow just to get the shape that I want. And notice that I did not start all the way in the beginning of my brows. I started a little bit further back just so that I can have that natural brow look. And don't do that thing in the middle. Like, no, don't do that, because it's like you do it and then you erase it, and yeah, that's just wasting product. So I'm gonna start, only in the back, and I'm gonna keep dipping the brush into the product because I just cleaned the brush. Usually I would just use just one dip and then it's just do my whole brow, but I just cleaned the brush and I don't want to do that. So I'm only gonna work at the bottom of my brow, and just to get the shape that I want, an idea of how I want it to look. I'm only gonna do this at the bottom all the way to the end. Sorry guys, I was having trouble like with keeping the focus, so I keep on looking and I keep trying to focus it. I just kept on doing a whole bunch of things at once. Alright, so now I'm gonna brush the product up with my hair, and as I'm doing that, it actually fills in the middle parts. Now I'm gonna shape the top. I try not to pass where my hair stops. That's what gives me an idea of how I want to shape my brows. And now with the rest of the product, I'm gonna do the front, and I'm gently just brushing it. And as you can see, I still have a little bit of product. That's why if you just dip it, you want to start a little bit further back. You don't want to start all the way in the front, because then you'll have boxy eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush everything out so my hair can blend in with it and just looks very natural. And then now I'm gonna dip my brush into the Studio Finish concealer. My shade is NC45. You guys might be a different shade. And then for this brush, I didn't put it in the description because that's just a brush that I bought and I just liked, and then the name is like done. It's wore off of it. I can put a link for you guys to where to get a brush kind of like that. And since I'm already using MAC products, so I'm gonna leave you like a MAC brush to apply the concealer under your brows. And you just want to clean any little mistake that you made. I didn't really make any mistake because I've been doing my eyebrows for a long time. Well, not on this eyebrow. The other one, yeah, a lot of mistakes. But so I'm just applying it just to clean everything out. Um, and then now the same thing that I did when I was starting my brows, I'm gonna do the same thing with the concealer, only on the top of my brow. I think it looks more natural like that if you don't do it from the beginning, because then it gets hard for you to blend everything out if you start all the way in the front, and you're still gonna get some of the products in the front, but I just don't like to start all the way in the front. It just looks more natural for me and it works for me. That's why I don't do it. And again, I'm just trying to focus my camera because I'm still trying to work it. So now I'm gonna take my larger shader brush and I'm just gonna blend everything with my skin, making sure everything looks natural. Just keep on blending it, as you know, just to get the look that you want. And I did not do my left eyebrow on camera because I have a scar there and it takes like literally half of my brow, so I did not touch it, and I just it's just hard. Like this video would have been like twice as long if I was doing both eyebrows. So I mean, if you guys have a scar as well and you know you want to see how I cover mine up when I'm doing my brows, I mean, feel free to ask me, but I I didn't want to do that to myself. I didn't want to do that to myself. So I just did my right eyebrows and I'm just gonna leave this one alone. No, not today. So, you know, that's it. So there you have it. You guys see how I do my eyebrows. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I do know a lot of my friends, they wanted me to do a one-on-one, but if this doesn't help you or get you where you want to be, just I'll do a special one-on-one for you guys, just for you guys. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I will be coming out with new videos. I will try to do one every week, and just keep your ideas coming on what I should do and things like that, and that'll keep me